Hi, I'm Bill Reagan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Today we're going to be doing some installation techniques on a Cedar Shake shingle. So come on, let's go. If you notice the top of these shingles, none of them are, some of them are the same height, but some of them are longer. So it really doesn't matter what the tops of them look like. It's crucial that the bottoms are straight. So what we do is we pop a line, we put in a row, and then we pop a line at 10 inches. These are running on 10-inch exposure. And then the trick is just to make sure that you leave a 1/4 inch gap between each tab, because wood expands and contracts just like metal. And you don't want it to expand so much that it pushes against each other, because it'll cup them. You also want to leave your next gap around 1.5 inches minimum between the gap previous. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So we put our first one in. We're going to leave a little gap right here. We're going to line it up. And our next one, this gap right here, we're going to cover it. We've got about 2 inches right here. So we've got our 1/4 inch gap. I usually keep my nails around, if we're on a 10-inch exposure, I keep my nails right around 12 inches. And these are right around 12, 12.5. And we've got good penetration. It's not overly penetrating. This is actually a stainless steel ring shank siding nail, but it works perfect for wood shakes. So this is just having a good, happy day putting on shingles. There you go. This is how we keep it straight. We check this line with the line that's further up the roof. That's one of our parallel lines, occasionally, just to make sure that everything is running parallel.